Hello and welcome back to Diamond Autos, your trusted source for the latest auto reviews, insights, and first-look impressions. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic and rugged SUVs in India, now refreshed for the modern era. Yes, we're talking about the 2025 Mahindra Bolero Neo. This is not just a facelift, it's a powerful evolution of a legend that has served India's roads, villages, and cities for decades. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero Neo carries forward its strong and muscular stance, but this time with a more refined and premium design language. The front fascia now features a redesigned grille with chrome inserts, new LED headlamps with DRLs, and a tougher-looking bumper that signals strength at first glance. Its high ground clearance and rugged cladding around the wheel arches give it that classic Bolero toughness, while new dual-tone alloy wheels and a slightly reworked side profile bring in a modern edge. From every angle, it looks like a vehicle that's ready for both urban roads and rural challenges. Step inside the cabin of the 2025 Bolero Neo, and you'll be surprised by how much Mahindra has upgraded the interior without losing the utilitarian charm the Bolero is known for. The dashboard now comes with a new touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering-mounted controls, and a semi-digital instrument cluster. The seats are now wider, more comfortable, and finished in dual-tone fabric with better cushioning for long drives. Mahindra has also added more storage spaces and USB ports, making it a family-friendly SUV that's both practical and stylish. Under the hood, the 2025 Bolero Neo is powered by an updated version of the tried-and-tested 1.5 L Hawk diesel engine, delivering around 100 bhp and 260 Nm of torque. It's paired with a refined 5-speed manual gearbox, offering smooth gear shifts and strong low-end torque. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating hilly terrains, the Bolero Neo delivers dependable performance. It also features Mahindra's multi-terrain technology with mechanical locking differential, making it ideal for challenging roads and off-road adventures. Safety is a big focus in the 2025 version. Mahindra has equipped the Bolero Neo with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. The body structure has also been reinforced to meet updated crash safety norms. Additional features include keyless entry, rear defogger, height-adjustable driver's seat, and automatic door locks, all adding to the modern driving experience. The Bolero Neo 2025 is expected to be available in multiple variants like N4, N8, N10, and N10O, each offering different feature levels to suit budget and need. Prices are expected to start around 9.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom, making it one of the most value-for-money rugged SUVs in the Indian market today. To wrap it up, the 2025 Mahindra Bolero Neo brings the perfect blend of rugged heritage and modern upgrades. It stays true to its roots but adapts well to the evolving needs of today's SUV buyers, especially those looking for a powerful, practical, and durable companion. Whether you're a farmer, a small business owner, or an urban explorer looking for a tough and affordable SUV, the Bolero Neo ticks all the right boxes. That's it for today's in-depth review of the 2025 Mahindra Bolero Neo. If you enjoyed this video and want more honest and detailed auto reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Diamond Autos. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates on new car launches, reviews, and comparisons. Thanks for watching. This is Diamond Autos, signing off. See you in the next video.